to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress theme customizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming down to this platform to hire a WordPress theme customizer, I will just go to hire freelancer in here and go to by skill and search for the freelancer with the skill I'm looking for. So here I'm searching for a WordPress theme customizer. So he might be in the web design, and here we have WordPress web designers. So let's go with WordPress web designers. And here you will be able to see all of the expert WordPress developers in the platform, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So here let's check their profiles. So here we have this one who is getting paid $8 per hour. He's doing SEO, internet marketing, link building, marketing, and WordPress. This one also is doing just marketing, website design. So this one is doing graphic design, website design as well. So let's check, I think it's her. Let's check her profile. So guys, I'm showing you these profiles just to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like this person, where you're going to showcase your skills as well. And also I'm going to show you how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how you can add a profile picture, how you can add the skills that you can perform, how you can add your hourly rate as well, and how you can verify all of these things in your profile. And I will show you as well how you can add a description to your profile, just something like this one. So this one wrote, hello and welcome to my freelancer profile. Note, free support, basic SEO, 2-week free support for minor changes after completing the project, 1 month backup, availability, and you can read out more about her description. And those are her skills: graphic designing, custom website development, logo design, all design, brochure, business card, SEO, animation, and illustration. So those are all the skills she can do. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills in your profile as well, and I'm going to show you how you can drop your portfolio also. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can start creating your profile. So here, click on Freelancer to go to the main page and click on Earn Money Freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information: your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on Login. And then give it a few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. And here in your dashboard, it's where you're going to control everything about your profile. So go to your top right to click on this button. Here you will be able to check everything about your account, from viewing your profile to your membership, the account analytics, your bidding site, and the settings. And when it comes to finances, you can check as well your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can see your transaction history. You can see your financial dashboard, your payment sharing. And if you've encountered any problems, you can head to the support. Or if you want to invite your friends, you'll be able to get your own link to do that. And if you want to log out, you can do that as well. So let's go up to go to view our profile. And here, as you can see, the profile looks very empty. It needs a lot of adjustments. So here, click on edit profile. And as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to verify your email. And after verifying your email, then proceed to add in a profile picture. It's very important because you cannot, there is no client who can work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. After you're done with the profile picture, then upload a cover photo as well. It will add a little bit of a look to your profile. After that, you proceed to the verifications, and here make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address, and verify your payment method as well. Verify your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before, and here make sure to connect your Facebook account too. And if you are wondering why do I need to make or to go through all of these verifications, simply guys, these verifications will add more trust and credibility to your profile, and more trust means more clients, and obviously more clients means more money. So here, after you're done with the verifications, then add your hourly rate. Make sure to choose a good hourly rate for your time. Then enter your professional headline, something like a WordPress theme customizer. Then you enter your summary, it's your description, it's like the one we've seen before in the person's profile. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's enter the skills. You can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove this one, and let's start searching for our skill, WordPress theme customizer. And here let's go with WordPress theme to see if we can find something. Still nothing found. We have WordPress plugin, WordPress design. I think that's all what we have in here. WordPress as a whole. And after you're done with selecting your skills, then scroll down and click on save to save these adjustments. Then you proceed to enter in your portfolio. After that, you can add your experience, education, qualifications, and publications as well. All of those things will help you get more trust and credibility. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse, click on projects, and here you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone with your skills to hire. So make sure to apply for those jobs. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.